Welcome back. Now, direct benefit transfer for LPG scheme will be rolled out in South Goa from 1st September 2013. Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas M. Virappa Moily has given a go-ahead in 35 more high Aadhaar coverage districts in the existing DBTL states. The scheme makes Aadhaar mandatory for LPG consumers. The Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas M. Virappa Moily has given go-ahead to roll out direct benefit transfer for LPG scheme in 35 more high Aadhaar coverage districts on 1st September 2013 in existing DBTL states. With this, total number of districts to be covered by DBTL scheme comes to 55. The scheme is already in force in North Goa on pilot basis since July this year. The district which will be covered on 1st September 2013 are 12 in Kerala, 7 districts in Andhra Pradesh, 7 in Himachal Pradesh, 5 in Punjab, 2 Madhya Pradesh and 1 each in Maharashtra and Goa. Direct benefit transfer for LPG scheme has been launched with an aim to curb leakages and prevent black marketing and provide subsidy to consumers in their bank accounts. The subsidy on LPG cylinders is being provided directly to consumer in their Aadhaar-linked bank accounts. Almost 80% Goans have enrolled for Aadhaar card till date. Bureau Report, Prudent. Frequent power failures in South Goa have annoyed the locals. Sarpanch of South Goa has complained that there is no proper mobile electricity repair van nor any electrician in the area. However, Executive Engineer of Electricity Department says fluctuation in power supply is due to failure of runway system. Problem will be sorted out once the runway system is replaced.
Frequent power failure is a regular problem for many in the monsoons. A month back, it made Aldon cars to hit the streets, and now it's the turn of Sakwal cars in the south. Frequent power failures have annoyed the locals.
30 वर्षांचे ओल्ड खांबे हा लायटी वायर हा सकल तेकतात लायट दिसभर आसना असली जाल्यार सुद्धा थोडेच वेळ येता थोडे वेळ आसना रातभर सुद्धा एकदा लायट आसना.
But engineer Gopinathan Pillai claims that power failure could possibly be due to bad electricity conductors.
In fact, I already told that the work will be done on bar footing. Major failure during rainy season, 90% is due to the failure of 11 gauge system. So suppose 11 gauge system is replaced underground cable. Definitely during rainy season, this failure will come down to 10%. From the existing 100 go to 10.
Sarpanch of Sakwal Ramakan Borkar is not happy with the affairs. There is no mobile electricity van in the area, and all electricity poles are on the verge of collapse.
आमचो जुवारी नगर आमकां आनी सांकवाल सकयल डावन ह्या दोनूय कडेन कोऑर्डिनेशन जायना. जर हांगसर सांकवाळ्या लायट गेले जाल्यार आमकां चिखले कॉन्टॅक्ट करचो पडटा. जवळ जवळ 9 किलोमीटर 8 to 9 किलोमीटर्स इतले पयस आमकां वयचें पडटा.
Local engineer recently addressed grievances of the Sakwal cars. He has assured to restore breakdown-free power supply before Chavat. Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Olympic gold medalist Abhinav Bindra says there is a 3-point formula that can guarantee success. Bindra, who was the chief guest at Sharda Mandir School's awards function, advised students to work with passion, hard work and self-belief.
Gold medal winner in shooting at the Beijing Olympics, Abhinav Bindra presented awards to Sharda Mandir students on Monday evening.
I am often asked, what should a person do to win? Today I will attempt to answer that question for you. I believe 3 things if followed systematically will lead you to victory. Passion, hard work and belief in yourself. I had just finished the qualifying round and expected my rifle to be perfectly sighted. But during the 5-minute warm-up of the final, my first sighting shot was a 4. Even a sighting shot of 9 would have ensured I lost miserably. So you can understand that sighting a 4 was disaster. Believe me when I tell you that had I not believed in myself, I would not have been able to pick up that rifle and shoot in that final round. What to speak of winning. It was only my belief that gave me the strength of mind to pick up the rifle and try to get it sighted again. Remember, at that moment, there was nobody with whom I could share this, nobody to whom I could reach out to, nobody who could encourage or help and support me. I stood alone. sport teaches you this too. When it comes to the decisive moments in your life, you stand alone. I did not win at the London Olympics. And so, though I lost in that event, I am still successful. Because success is the pursuit of winning. Because success lies in understanding that there is no finish line. Ladies and gentlemen, I invite you to move beyond winning and losing, to walk the path of success, because you owe it to yourself to be the best that you can be. The world is waiting to cheer your success.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. You can also meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.